One of the most frequently asked questions in all of the probate world is, what is probate and why is probate when it comes to real estate? All probate is a transfer of title from the deceased person to the true heirs. That person could have been on real estate, bank accounts, brokerages, or car titles. But it's all about whose name was it in. If they died, there needs to be a transfer of title to the heirs. And for real estate, why is probate needed? Well, it's all about title insurance. Title insurance companies will not issue a buyer's policy until that probate is done to make sure nobody else comes back later. So if you wanted to know why, for probate in real estate, it's all about title insurance. Now you know a little bit more about probate real estate. Legal disclaimer. This video does not provide legal advice, nor does it create any attorney-client relationship. The matters discussed in this video are for informational and educational purposes only.